In a huge crowded city where everyone was running behind their dreams and life never slowed down for anyone, there lived a young boy named Arham. His world was small, his home was simple, but his dreams were far bigger than the life he was born into. Every morning before sunrise, Arham would wake up, take his old bicycle, and deliver newspapers across the city. After that, he attended college, and in the evening he worked online to earn a little more. His days were long and his nights were short, but in his heart he carried a strong purpose to give his mother a better life. Arham's father had passed away years ago. His mother stitched clothes at home, but her health was getting weaker day by day. One night, when Arham came home completely exhausted, his mother looked at him lovingly and said, Beta, don't you get tired working so much? Arham held her worn-out hands gently and smiled, Ammi, your smile removes all my tiredness. Just pray for me. One day I will take you out of this difficult life. But reality was much harder than dreams. The house rent, his mother's medicines, college fees, it felt like everything depended on him alone. Still, he kept going, believing someday his efforts would make a difference. After months of preparation, Arham finally got the chance to interview for a major scholarship. He entered the interview room with hope in his eyes. He answered every question confidently. When he walked out, he felt like maybe, just maybe, this was the moment that could change everything. A few days later, he received the result. His heart was beating fast as he opened the message, but the screen showed only one painful line. Sorry, you are not selected. That one sentence felt like a heavy stone dropped onto his chest. As he stepped outside, it started raining. Arham walked to a nearby bus stop and sat down, trying to hide his tears under the rain. He whispered to himself, why does this happen to me every time? I worked so hard and still nothing. Maybe I'm just not good enough. At that moment, an old man with a white beard and kind eyes sat beside him under a small umbrella. The old man looked at him and said softly, Beta, rain is temporary, but if you lose from inside, then even the sun cannot help you. Arham looked at him with pain in his eyes and said, I tried my best, but still I failed. The old man smiled gently and replied, Allah never wastes anyone's effort. Sometimes He delays success because He wants you to become stronger. Darkness always loses to light. Just don't give up before your light arrives. Those few words touched Arham's heart deeply. It felt like someone had placed hope back into his broken soul. From that day, Arham made a decision. He would try again, but this time he would work harder than ever before. He would fight for his dream, not only for himself, but for his mother. Every night while the world slept, Arham kept studying for hours. He watched online lessons, made notes, practiced again and again. Some nights he slept only 2 hours, but his determination never shook. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months. Finally, the day came for the big test, a competitive program where thousands of students would take part. Arham stood in the exam hall, took a deep breath, and silently prayed, Ya Allah, I have done everything I could. Please don't let me fall today. The test finished, the results were to be announced publicly on a large digital screen. A huge crowd had gathered. Arham stood in the middle, heart pounding. The name started scrolling and scrolling, his eyes desperately searching. And then suddenly, he saw it. There it was. Congratulations, Arham, you are selected. Arham froze for a moment. Then tears rolled down his cheeks. It felt unreal. He had done it. He ran all the way back home, opened the door, and hugged his mother tightly. With tears in his eyes, he cried, Ammi, I got selected. Your son succeeded. His mother's eyes filled with joy as she held him close and said, I knew it, beta. Allah never leaves those who work hard empty handed. And that day, Arham understood something very powerful. Life will give you moments when you feel like giving up, moments when everything seems against you. But success is not about being strong every day. It's about not quitting even on the days when you feel weak. It's about giving yourself one more chance. Because sometimes your last chance is the one that changes your entire life.